What is the difference between the symbol TM and the symbol R with a circle around it at the top right hand corner of your brand? Well, the symbol TM indicates to the world that that is your brand. It tells the world that that is what that signifies your products and services. It tells the world that that is where the products and services originate from. So TM kind of indicates to everyone that this word is my brand. Everything else around it is marketing tags and marketing promotion. So that word stands out as a brand when you use TM at the top right hand corner of the brand. R, on the other hand, R with a circle around it, can only be used once you've secured registration of your trademark. Yes, that means you've obtained a certificate of registration from the Malaysian Intellectual Property Office or the IP office of another country, and only then you can use the letter R with a circle around it. Do be careful, you're not allowed to use the symbol R with a circle around it if you have not secured registration. It's unlawful, and that is stated so in the Trademark Act in Malaysia. The symbol TM, on the other hand, does not even require you to register the trademark or even apply for the trademark. You don't need to even apply for the trademark to use the symbol TM. So go ahead, if you have not registered your trademark yet, use the symbol TM to tell the world that, hey, this is my brand. R and the circle around it, well, use that when you've secured registration. It tells the world how much you value your brand, that you've gone out there to secure and get legal rights to your trademark.